Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's sunny here in Chicago. The forecast is that rains will move into the Midwest tomorrow and Saturday. Hopefully clear out for Sunday, early next week. The extended 6 to 10 day and 8 to 14 day maps show continued above normal to normal rainfall for much of the Midwest, but we're actually going to warm things up, especially in the eastern half of the country. So this is probably welcomed for a lot of crops that have seen some slow growth due to a little bit cooler than normal spring. As far as other issues, we noted that Russia's talking about a little bit lower wheat crop, a little bit lower wheat exports because of some crop conditions there. We noted that Canada right now is looking for a good soaking rain for their western prairies to help crops there. We also noted that the record temperatures in India and the impact it's having on the people there. Monsoon is supposed to be starting in the next couple of weeks, and that should relieve some of the temperatures there, but kind of looking for a little bit of a weaker monsoon possibly this year due to El Nino. We continue to see palm oil prices work higher because of one of the issues as the El Nino grows. You see a little bit less precip across the equator, which could impact palm oil production, but could also impact, like in Africa, the cocoa production there. As far as the overnight news is concerned, the big news from the financial world is the plunging stocks in China. It looked like some of the government is increasing some of the margin requirements for investors there, and the government might also be pulling some of the liquidity out of the stock market there. So a big drop in equities there. We're also kind of watching some of their data to see if their economy is picking up, and right now it continues to be a little bit slower than what I think the government would like for it to have. As far as the grains overnight, prices are a little bit higher. We noted that there was some corn buying yesterday by end users, thinking that maybe prices are closer to a temporary bottom. But we also noted at the same time, farmer increased their 2014 sales, kind of throwing the towel in because of the recent weakness in price levels. Over the beans, domestic bean basis remains firm. There's still concern about the Argentina strike. That's offering some support at near contract lows on the bean market, and we'll see if that offers any help there. Most of the traders still bearish beans because of the large supply and the fact that China's demand might be a little bit slower than some people have anticipated. As far as the wheat market is concerned, hopefully the jet stream here in the United States lifts north and allows for some of the winter wheat areas to dry out and getting into the harvest. There's still some quality issues, concerns, especially in the soft red winter wheat, and we have to kind of watch that pretty closely. But world prices are down, and the competition for U.S. exports is up, and that continues to offer some resistance to the wheat market. Wheat will basically follow corn, especially here in the United States, price-wise, because it has to compete as a feed wheat. So in general, prices a little bit better in the grains. Sunny here in Chicago. Rains are coming in. Extended outlook looks a little warmer, hopefully a little drier. And globally, we're seeing a big drop in the Chinese stock market and a little bit of weather concerns, parts of Russia, Canada, and Indonesia. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.